1995년 부탄. 커플 두 쌍이 하이킹 여행을 왔는데
What is that?
구덩이에 빠지는 폴. 그런데 폴은 멀쩡했고 기괴한 해골이 있었죠.
You right?
Touch.
What? Come on. Come on!
일단 빈집으로 들어오는 이들.
I think he's in shock.
Some kind of gas pocket.
I was breathing the same air he was.
We need to get him to a hospital.
Then I will transport to Jakarta myself, okay?
여자는 폴이 가지고 온 피리를 불어보죠.
We'll be right back, okay?
그때 여자가 누군가를 발견하고 여자를 향해 달려오는 의문의 형체.
Lucy! Open up! It's us!
See someone out there? No, just you. What?
그런데 그때
Paul?
사라져버린 폴.
Where is he?
이들은 폴의 발자국을 따라가 보는데
Fuck's sake, Paul, what are you doing?
갑자기 일행을 공격하는 여자. 그렇게 폴의 일행은 모두 사망하죠. 그로부터 약 20년이 지나고 전직 경찰이자 주인공 제임스가 등장하죠.
Hello, man.
Your mom know you're here?
제임스의 이웃집 소녀 아만다가 그를 찾아왔는데
Ever since my father died, so soon after when Listen and Henry.
It's okay.
But I came to tell you I found something so freeing.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
이상한 얘기를 하고 가는 아만다. 사실 제임스는 얼마 전 사고로 아내와 아들을 잃었는데 다음날 갑자기 사라져버린 아만다.
She came to see you yesterday.
Amanda, yes.
She say anything to make you think she was going?
Not at all. Why don't you make me a list of Amanda's friends?
제임스는 직접 아만다를 찾아보기로 하죠.
Well, do you know where Amanda is? No.
To heaven? Some story if you went to a bridge after dark, found an empty bottle. If you blew into it, thought about him, something would happen. A few of us were down on a rocks bridge.
아만다와 친구들은 MT맨 소환의식을 치렀었고
Was that the last time you saw Amanda?
Saw her at the mall the next day talking to Brandon.
You okay?
No, I have to.
직접 그 다리에 와보는 제임스. 제임스는 맨홀 뚜껑 안으로 들어가 보는데 이곳에 아만다의 친구들이 죽어 있었죠. 한편 그 시각 아만다의 친구는 집에 홀로 있었는데 MT맨이 나타나 그녀를 살해하고 말죠.
She knew Amanda Quayle. Is that why you were talking to her?
Yeah, that's right. They were friends. You have a suspect?
By all appearances, it was a suicide.
Hello?
그때 누군가 제임스의 집에 침입하고 도망친 듯한 침입자. 그렇게 제임스는 아만다가 다니던 의문의 기관에 와보는데
Hi. Hey. So I'm looking for some.
There is nothing you have lost.
이곳은 그냥 흔한 사이비 단체 같았죠.
At one time, we were one. Comes to you directly from the empty man.
그때 앤티맨이 언급되고
Thank you for coming.
Towards the end, you did say.
The empty man.
That's right. What does it mean?
A meditation. The veil between form and flesh.
You, seen this girl here? She hang out here? Fire.
제임스는 이곳을 조금 더 조사해 보기로 하죠.
Nothing can be known about it. It cannot be understood.
지하 깊숙한 곳에선 또 다른 의식이 진행 중이었고 그때 걸려버리는 제임스.
Would you come with us, sir? No idea how dangerous these people are, man.
그러나 제임스는 이 사이비 단체를 더 조사해 보기로 하고 사이비 단체에서 캠핑을 한다는 곳에 도착한 제임스.
The Pontifex Society.
그때 대규모 인원의 캠프파이어가 진행 중이었고 제임스가 뒤돌자 갑자기 끝난 캠프파이어. 그렇게 제임스와 대규모 인원의 술래잡기가 시작되죠. 겨우 탈출에 성공하는 제임스.
Man, this is bad news. And you are not a cop anymore.
그때 MT맨이 모습을 드러내고 빠따는 좀 무서웠는지 또 도망친 MT맨. 제임스는 사이비 신도들을 미행하려는데 아니 이건 또 왜 갖고 왔어? 놈들이 온 곳은 한 중환자실이었죠. 다시 그 건물의 지하 도서관에 온 제임스. 그런데 제임스는 이곳에서 자신의 신상들을 발견하죠.
You're fucking with me.
심지어 제임스가 발가벗고 다니는 사진까지.
How long ago was that?
Almost a year. He was admitted to Bellevue 23 years ago and Cedar Rapids until 2 years ago. Maybe they were treating him experiment. As far as I know, doesn't have a name.
Who pays John Doe's?
Sure, I don't know. There's one in there with him right now.
Hello, Amanda.
알고 보니 아만다는 여기 있었고
Who is he?
You know who he is.
I need to call your mom. I found Amanda.
I'm sorry, who is this?
It's me, James.
Who are you calling for?
Nora?
갑자기 제임스에 관한 기억을 잃은 아만다의 엄마.
He's weakening now. How long a human body can...
사실 환자의 정체는 20년 전 폴이었고 아만다는 쇠약해진 폴의 대치자로 제임스를 점찍었던 것이었는데
The death of your wife and son. And where were you? Who did you the most?
사실 제임스는 아만다의 엄마와 불륜 관계였고 이를 알고 있던 아만다가 이 모든 상황을 설계한 것이었죠. 그리고 제임스에게 잊혀졌던 기억이 하나 떠오르는데 사이비 지하실 침입 당시 제임스는 사실 MT맨을 마주쳤었고 제임스는 이미 이때 MT맨에게 몸을 빼앗긴 것이었죠. 이제 모든 사실을 알게 된 제임스. 제임스는 폴을 살해하죠. 그리고 제임스를 MT맨으로 받아들이는 사람들. 그렇게 영화는 불륜의 위험성에 대해 경고하며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 MT맨이었습니다. 부처님 앞에서 검술을 연습하고 있는 틸다 스윈튼, 아니 젤다. 그런데 젤다의 직업은 다름 아닌 장의사였고 갑자기 달이 이상해지더니 공동묘지의 시체들이 깨어나기 시작하죠.
Excuse me, we're closed.
사람들을 잡아먹기 시작하는 시체들. 그리고 다음날
At the diner.
경찰서장인 빌 머리, 아니 클리프는 사건 현장을 확인하죠.
Whatever it was, smashed the coffee pots.
그때 후임 경찰관인 미국 이광수가 도착하고
Hey guys, really perks up the place, huh? Cliff, is that really Fern and Lily in there?
That was Fern and Lily. So what are you thinking?
I'm thinking zombies.
단번에 좀비라는 결론에 도달해낸 광수형. 캐스팅 미쳤네 이 영화.
Oh wow, it's working out.
The dead don't die. I love this song.
You can just keep the change. Oh, cool.
It's a super cool ride, by the way.
Yeah, it's a classic.
What's your name?
Bobby Wiggins.
I'm Zoe. Thanks, Bobby.
어쨌든 조이 일행은 좀비 소굴로 향하고 경찰서에 온 젤다.
You've been informed of the tragedy?
I have, and that the remains will be brought to the ever after my preparation.
That won't be necessary. Feds have already collected the remains.
Nice car. It's a classic.
Do you guys know if there's a diner or a restaurant nearby?
Sorry, the only diner in town.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
But we vending machines containing snacks right over by the office.
The girl's part Mexican.
How can you tell?
Affinity for Mexican. Favorite people.
두 사람은 공동묘지를 확인하러 왔는데
So, is our plan to continue to inform people about...
I guess so.
Because we passed Farmer Miller's place a little while...
Farmer Miller. How the fuck do you kill?
You gotta kill the head.
Holy shit, dude, this isn't...
Not there being zombies around here?
Jack, lock the door, will you?
Got you.
그렇게 또 좀비들이 깨어나기 시작하고
Kitties! Where are you guys? Night out. It's 5 o'clock.
첫 번째 희생양 발생.
Why? What's happening?
It's zombies.
경찰서의 시체도 깨어나고
She's alive?
No, not. She's just undead.
Look out, kids.
I got this clip.
아무렇지 않게 혈기의 목을 베는 광수형.
Chardonnay.
Ah, that's very nice. You look... You two could have been off club, so you could... What's this? Are you in this together?
그때 젤다의 시체들도 깨어나는데 젤다의 검술은 거의 주급이었죠.
Had them looking so bonny.
동네 유일한 천물점도 뚫려버리는데
Now even the radio's dead.
Good riddance.
신나게 혈기들을 사냥하고 있는 젤다.
She's really good with that thing, isn't she?
What exactly is your plan of action, Chief?
Well, I guess we should just get in the patrol car.
I could stay here, monitor things, if that would help. Perhaps we could all again in a wee while in the cemetery.
젤다는 자기가 경찰서를 지키겠다고 하고
Mind how you go.
Excuse me. They gravitate towards things.
Telescope's kind of cute.
Well, this is way too creepy.
Oh, God. I know those kids, but they're all dead.
Oh, that's bad.
셀레나 고메즈 일행도 모두 당한 상태였죠.
Why did you do that?
Yeah, for now, they're still just dead hipsters. Take a while.
I can't.
그때 젤다가 경찰서를 해킹하기 시작하고
So very ravenous.
You think Hank and Bobby Wiggins are still in there? Should we try to get him out?
Goddamn zombies, Bobby.
Shit. What fucking...
뒷문을 깜빡해버린 철물점이래. 그렇게 마을 사람들이 거의 전멸해버리고
Definitely gonna end badly.
Shut up, Ronnie.
No, you shut up.
It's my grandmother.
It was your grandmother.
Mindy, I'm coming.
Mindy?
No, no.
결국 할머니의 품에 돌아가고만 민디. 젤다도 공동묘지로 향하는데
Oh, here's a curious one.
Passion.
I'm sorry, Ronnie, if I've lost.
It's okay, Cliff.
But I gotta say, seems so oddly controlled.
But I've been telling you this is all gonna end badly.
Over and over. How did you know everything in advance?
I know because I've read the script.
갑자기 제3의 벽을 뚫는 광수형.
The whole script?
Yeah, Jim gave me the whole script.
Only gave me our scenes. What a dick.
That's weird. We're all leaving.
Right, here we go.
그때 뜬금없이 UFO가 등장하고
Was that in the script?
No.
젤다를 데려가는 UFO.
Well, that was unexpected.
So, Ronnie, how does it end then?
We gotta give it our best shot.
Okay then.
그렇게 잃을 것 없는 두 남자의 좀비 대학살이 시작되죠.
Mindy would want you to say hi to Grandpa. I just saw Hank.
그러나 영화는 대본대로 두 사람도 끝을 맞이하며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 데드 돈 다이였습니다. 영화 데드 돈 다이는 무려 칸 영화제 개막작 작품으로 개막장이긴 하지만 짐 자머시라는 유명한 B급 영화 감독의 작품인데요. 그래서인지 빌 머레이, 틸다 스윈튼, 아담 드라이버 등 수많은 S급 캐스팅을 할 수 있었던 것 같네요. 그런데 사실 미국식 유머가 전반적으로 너무 짙게 깔려 있어서 호불호가 심하게 갈리는 건 확실한 것 같습니다. 짧은 리뷰 영상이라 제대로 설명해드리진 못했지만 영화 결말에 나름 허무주의적 관점도 나오고 디테일하게 영화 분석하는 거 좋아하시는 분들에겐 이 영화를 추천해드리며 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다. 지금까지 똠냥이었습니다. 숲에서 도망치고 있는 한 여자. 알고 보니 이 여자는 주인공 사라의 쌍둥이 동생 제스였고 사라는 제스의 위험을 직감하고 그녀가 실종된 일본에 도착하죠.
It's Jess. Leave a message.
I'm going to Japan. The police think Jess is double, and she needs me.
I should just sleep on it. Wait by morning, reassess. If you still want to go, you can go.
Happy birthday.
동생이 일하던 학교에 온 사라.
He went to London, going to London.
She thought you were Miss Jess.
It's
Sorry.
okay. Why were you scared?
Your sister went into Aokigahara. Thought you were a yurei.
Room before I go?
그렇게 숲으로 떠나는 사라. 사라는 한 산장을 발견하고
Konnichiwa. Hi, I'm looking for my sister. Came here on a trip with her school and disappeared. Seen her?
Yes, we found.
You found Jess? Where is she?
She here. I take you. You come? Bodies here when we find them cold.
The body.
These alone, the spirit scream.
이곳은 사실 시체를 보관하는 곳이었죠.
Sorry, 2 seconds.
It's not her.
No?
It's not her.
Good.
One who could help me search the forest.
It's very dangerous. Do not.
I want to hire a guide.
No guide. Come back. Be more bodies.
She's lost.
Leave the path.
Metal.
Do you know the forest? You take me in, I'd pay you.
The forest has Yure. Everybody know that. Do not leave the path. And Yure can find you. See things. Want to die.
모두가 사라를 말려도 그녀는 동생을 찾으러 향했죠.
Original. You look familiar. Have we met?
Here, 4 days ago.
Sorry, I don't know you.
I thought you might have met my sister. Came here and disappeared.
Is that a possibility with your sister? I'm Aiden, by the way.
Sarah. That's her a couple of years ago.
Kono just say, Akima-san Deshitaka? No, he's never seen her. Trust me, you will. I've been in the forest. I can't let you do
I
that.
think I don't need your permission, guide.
I have clearance to go with the park nature guard tomorrow. The park better than anyone. I could ask if you could come.
Be great.
One thing, though, a favor. Search for your sister. Gripping. It's human. I mean, it's an article.
Will I be a celebrity in Australia?
All right, if I record you for the story, so you and Jess were raised by your grandma. You believe she's okay because you have this kind of...
It's not mystical. It happens to one of us, the other one can tell. No one could tell us apart.
Do you mind if I ask what happened to your parents?
It was a car accident. We were 6. I kept my eyes closed, but she saw it all.
Jesus.
Mm.
Yeah. Cheers.
Hey, babe. I got you, man. You going into this forest alone? Just come home, please.
Oh, Wakata.
Morning.
Morning. Michi. This is Sarah.
Hello. Thanks for this.
These suicide watch hikes off the books.
You must understand, into the forest to die are already dead.
She's not dead.
어쨌든 사라는 운 좋게 숲에 들어가게 되는데
Okay.
Let's go.
Sarah! Take a look at this.
Okay, that's weird. Why is that happening?
Deposits in the mountain. It's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
People sometimes see things in the forest. If you see anything bad, it is not real. It's here.
What's that?
You bring a tent. You're not sure.
What do you do if we don't find your sister today?
Try again tomorrow.
Jess ever tried suicide before?
She was living in Florida a few years ago at the phone. I just knew something was wrong and wanted to check on her. They found her unconscious. She'd taken some sleeping pills. I mean, knowing Jess, she probably just thought it was Rome steps of her favorite poet.
He'll be okay, I think.
What's that?
Keep a rope like this if they think they might want to find their way back.
This one looks recent.
Doesn't look like anyone. Maybe they changed their mind.
첫 시체를 발견한 사라.
I must cut him down. Rangers can retrieve the body. 왔다.
Can we go this way?
사라는 제스의 존재를 느낀 듯하고
We must turn back soon.
You see something? Oh my God, that's her tent. I knew it. Jess! It's her! Oh my God, she's close. Jess!
Since she's not here, I'm back tomorrow morning. Let's go now.
We gotta stay.
We must go now. You can leave a note for...
Crazy? I'm staying. I'm staying till she comes back. I didn't tell him.
Nah, he's right. I'm back tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
We must go.
You two go.
You cannot stay. At night, at Jukai, people see bad. Forest draws out your fear.
She's here in these woods. I'm not leaving without her.
Sarah, you're making a big mistake.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna stay here with you.
Foolish Aiden.
It's fine. We'll stay the night. We'll watch after each other.
결국 에이든도 사라와 함께 이곳에 남기로 하죠.
I changed my mind. Let's come back in the morning.
Very funny. Here, give me a hand with this fire.
Expert. You went to space camp. What's that?
I don't know. This must be lost.
And alive. I'm gonna try and get some.
Yeah.
Aiden.
그때 사라에게 어둠의 기운이 접근하고 다행히 이는 꿈이었는데
Jess, is that you? Hey, wait! Please!
한 일본인 소녀가 나타나죠.
Hi. Do you speak English?
Litor, Hoshiko.
Hoshiko, are you alone?
Ara?
Yeah, how do you know my name?
No, don't ask him. Miss Jess know him.
This is Jess, your teacher.
I find her here. She said, need help.
Where is she?
No, don't ask him.
Oh, no. No, wait.
결국 다치고만 살아.
I lost her.
Jesus, look at your hand. Who? Who'd you lose, Jess?
Oh, it was a teenage girl. She said
She said what?
in Japanese.
Well, tell Michi. Okay, let's get back and turn it around. Come on. Come on.
All right, kiddo. Now, let's get you out of here.
Michi said noon.
An hour from now? No, look at your hand. You need stitches.
Jess might still come back.
Sarah, you just saw a child out in the woods. Considering that she ran, you tell them that. Send a search party quick. That search party finds your sister. Leave a note.
We didn't pass the river.
Yeah, I know. It take a little longer. Back to civilization just the same. Sarah, hey, careful, hey.
Do you see that?
Jesus. Get away from there, come on.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
We were walking that way.
Sarah, we're following the river down. Water flows down.
에이든을 향한 사라의 의심은 커져만 가고
Hello? Oh, shit.
You recorded that?
I need permission.
That's why you questioned me so much last night.
Yeah, I'm doing a story.
Give me your phone.
Why?
I'm lost in the woods with a strange man who's been lying.
I'll give you the phone.
How do you... You met me on purpose, didn't you?
For what you're talking about.
What did you do to her?
Who, Jess? I've never met her.
결국 도망치는 사라. 그때 사라가 추락해버리고
미치? Rob. We'll find her. Don't worry.
사라를 구하러 향하는 사람들.
What are you doing down here? I just want to see you. Just.
귀신을 피해 도망치는 사라.
Sarah? Hayden! I'm gonna find something to throw down for you.
It's in your head.
다행히 에이든이 사라를 구해주죠.
Sarah, you okay?
Michi was right.
I found a place. Here, take the knife so you trust me more. Hey, Sarah, give me the knife.
Sarah, Jess.
그때 사라가 갇힌 듯한 제스를 발견하고
Hey, do you want to chow down before it gets too dark? Sarah, what are you doing? It's the last one. You can have it.
에이든을 제압하는 사라.
If you don't let my sister, I'll kill you.
Wake up! Sister is dead. He's been in here for 5 days.
사라는 에이든을 찔러버렸죠.
Jess?
She's not here.
제스는 귀신의 함정이었고
Jess, no, stop. Don't look, don't look. Daddy.
도망쳐 나오는 사라.
이기마쇼. Sarah, hey. Jess, it's Rob.
Rob?
그렇게 제스는 구조되고
Have you seen Sarah?
사라는 숲에 빨려 들어가기 시작하죠.
She knew you were still alive. What?
Nothing.
숲의 귀신들에게 잡아먹힌 듯한 사라. 지금까지 영화 포레스트 죽음의 숲이었습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.